We often focus on our faces when we think about aging, scrutinizing every fine line and wrinkle, and investing in countless products to maintain a youthful glow. But our necks tell a story too. The neck is often overlooked, yet it can reveal our age just as much as our face, if not more. A smooth, youthful neck is a sign of vitality and health. It exudes confidence and can enhance your overall appearance, making you look and feel younger. It can take years off your appearance. Imagine the boost in self-esteem when you see a reflection that matches how young you feel inside. Many people start noticing wrinkles and sagging skin on their necks as they age. This is due to the skin losing its elasticity and the effects of gravity over time. This is perfectly natural, but it can be a source of insecurity for some. The neck, being a delicate area, is prone to showing signs of aging earlier than other parts of the body. The good news is that there are many things you can do to prevent and treat neck wrinkles. From specialized neck creams to simple exercises, there are numerous ways to care for your neck. With a little care and attention, you can maintain a smooth and youthful neck for years to come. Regular moisturizing, sun protection, and even gentle massages can make a significant difference. Neck wrinkles are caused by a combination of factors. These factors can range from environmental influences to our own daily habits. Understanding these causes can help us take better care of our skin and potentially reduce the appearance of these wrinkles. One major culprit is sun exposure. The sun's rays, while providing essential vitamin D, can be quite harmful to our skin if we're not careful. The sun's ultraviolet rays break down collagen and elastin in the skin, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Over time, this damage accumulates, making the skin less resilient and more prone to aging signs. Sunscreen is crucial, as the neck is often exposed to the sun, leading to premature aging. Aging itself plays a role. As we age, our skin undergoes various changes. The natural aging process reduces the skin's ability to repair itself. As we get older, our skin naturally produces less collagen and elastin, making it more prone to wrinkles. This reduction in essential proteins means the skin loses its firmness and elasticity, leading to sagging and the formation of wrinkles. Genetics also play a part in how our skin ages. Our genetic makeup can determine how quickly we show signs of aging and how our skin responds to environmental factors. Finally, everyday habits like posture can contribute to neck wrinkles. The way we hold our heads and necks throughout the day can have a significant impact on the skin's appearance. Looking down at your phone or computer all day can cause creases in the skin, which can turn into wrinkles over time. This phenomenon, often referred to as tech neck, is becoming increasingly common in our digital age. By being mindful of our posture and taking preventive measures, we can help maintain the youthful appearance of our neck skin. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Youthful Glow. Your support means the world to us. The best way to combat neck wrinkles is to prevent them in the first place. Start by protecting your neck from the sun. Always apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to your neck, even on cloudy days. Moisturizing is crucial. Use a moisturizer that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid or retinol, which can help to hydrate the skin and stimulate collagen production. Pay attention to your posture. Keep your head held high and your shoulders relaxed to avoid creating creases in your neck. Incorporating a jade roller or similar tool can also help improve circulation and skin tone. Staying hydrated and maintaining a healthy diet rich in antioxidants can support skin health from the inside out. Neck wrinkles can be a common concern as we age, but the good news is that there are numerous ways to address them effectively. If you already have neck wrinkles, don't despair. There are several effective treatments available that can help you achieve a smoother, more youthful-looking neck. First, we have in-office treatments. One of the first steps you can take is to consult with a dermatologist. They can provide you with a personalized treatment plan tailored to your specific needs. Dermatologists have access to a variety of advanced treatments that can significantly reduce the appearance of neck wrinkles. Neck exercises can help to strengthen the muscles in your neck and improve circulation, which can make the skin look firmer and smoother. Regularly performing these exercises can also help to prevent new wrinkles from forming. Skin treatments like chemical peels and laser resurfacing can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles by removing the top layer of skin. Chemical peels work by exfoliating the skin, promoting the growth of new, healthy skin cells. Laser resurfacing, on the other hand, uses focused light to stimulate collagen production, which can help to tighten and rejuvenate the skin. These treatments should always be performed by a qualified dermatologist. It's important to choose a professional with experience in these procedures to ensure the best results and minimize any potential risks. After that, we have at-home remedies. Natural treatments like aloe vera gel and coconut oil can also help to hydrate and soothe the skin on your neck. Aloe vera is known for its healing properties and can help to improve skin elasticity. Coconut oil, rich in antioxidants and fatty acids, can deeply moisturize the skin, making it look more supple and youthful. Additionally, incorporating a good skincare routine that includes moisturizing and sun protection can go a long way in maintaining the health and appearance of your neck skin. Remember, consistency is key. Whether you choose professional treatments or home remedies, sticking to a regular routine will yield the best results over time. So, take action today and give your neck the care it deserves. The key to maintaining a youthful neck is consistency. Make sun protection, moisturizing, and good posture a part of your daily routine. Remember that it takes time to see results, so be patient and don't get discouraged. Small daily efforts can lead to noticeable improvements over time, helping you maintain firm, smooth skin as you age. With a little effort, you can keep your neck looking its best for years to come. While it's great to take care of our skin, remember that true beauty comes from within. Embrace your age and the journey your skin has taken. The most important thing is to feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. These tips can help you maintain a youthful appearance, but never forget that true beauty shines from within. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the Youthful Glow channel for more skincare and wellness tips. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other content for more expert skincare tips and anti-aging advice.